Hey there, this is Kelly Leahy, the tech coach at Collins, and I'm here to show you how you can use the rich content editor to help you create pages that are a little bit more engaging than this one, for instance. So I'm in a course I named video, and I have a home page, but it just has garbledygook. So I'm going to click on edit. And how I got here, by the way, is I'm just clicking on home. In the previous video, I showed how to make a page, your home page. I'm going to click on edit, and then I'm going to delete the garbledygook and write something. Great. So now I can highlight what I write, and these tools right here on the toolbar are also embedded in these in this menu choice here. And that's how you can change your font style. For instance, so I can go to format and go to fonts, and I can choose a different font. Maybe I'll choose Book Antiqua. And then maybe I want a different size. So I can either go here and change the size, or again, I could go to the format. Most of the tools here in the toolbar on the rich content editor are somehow embedded in the menu choices here. I can highlight this and change the color. I can also have a background. But then we get into some of these other tools that I'd like to share. And in this video, I'd like to share these right here, these two. So the next tool right here is your tool that's the link tool. So if I wanted to, I can add a link to this. Now I'm going to highlight the words I want linked. I click on the link and I paste that. So I click on done, and when I click on done, that makes those words a hot link. I also could link to another something else in my course. So if I wanted to uh, click here for modules, if I didn't want my students necessarily to be using the white column, I can highlight modules. Then I can click this tiny arrow next to the link and I can choose course links. And then it would take me over here. So in my modules, I would click here. If I had any modules, they'd be listed here. And then I would click once and that would make that connection, that link. Same thing with pages. If I wanted to do pages, maybe you want a list of things in on your rich content editor area instead of the students using the white column. It's all up to you. But that is basically for navigating within the course. The other thing that you could do is you could add a picture and make that picture a link if you wanted to. So let's go ahead and add a picture. So that's this next icon. I can click on that and it says here upload an image. So I can click to upload the image. And let's say I want to upload this image. So let's say I want to add an image. So I'm going to click on the image button. I click on upload and then I click submit. You can tell my image came in really large. So I'm clicking once on it. So I get these blue editing tools. And then I can click on a corner and drag in and then resize my picture. And so there's my picture. If I want to make this a clickable link, I can click once on it. Then I can come up here to the links and I choose the link and paste it in. Click on done. And now I click on save. And after I click save, I really do want to come up here to student view to make sure my links are all working. So I click on student view and I click here. Let's see if it goes where I wanted it to go. Yes, it does. I click on my picture. That also is a link. So I click there and that also is going to where it needs to go, which is awesome. So I'm going to leave student view. and I'm going to go back to edit and continue editing. I usually do a few things at a time and then save and then go back and check just to just be a good steward of my time instead of accidentally having a problem. So that takes care of pictures. If you click on that little tiny arrow, you can see that you can upload an image that's already in your course. So for instance, if I've already used this picture, I know it's in my course already on another page. I could just go here and, oopsie, I could just go here next to the picture on that little arrow and choose course images and find that. All right, so that's the basics of these tools right through here. And in another video, I'll talk about these tools right here. Thanks for listening.